So today we're gonna continue finishing the our planters. So I'm gonna use that thing. So today we're gonna finish our planters today. I have the wood that I need, and we'll see. So I'm showing you, this is a slick tripod for making YouTube videos. This is the newer attachment for iPhone attachment. I just added it, so you can flip 90 degrees or portrait mode or landscape, and you can you have this handle here if you want to focus or move your angles. Nice, huh? Nice, really nice. I highly recommended this attachment for iPhone 15 or whatever phone you have, and it is very sturdy, slick, very slick setup here. So this is the ball head, tripod ball head from Manfrotto. This is very old. It's called 488, made in Italy, Manfrotto. It's very old. I bought it like long time ago, maybe 20 years ago. Yeah, this is still here. This camera gear is still here. I mean, this tripod is still here. This is a Manfrotto 055 GSB. This is old, but gold. They don't make this anymore. See? But this is for photography, and this is for YouTube video using my iPhone 15. Now you see my setup, but this is just for photography. I'm using this for my Hasselblad before. It's good for medium format. This one here is my new iPhone 15 setup. You can flip it, you can tilt it, you can panning, nice panning, huh? Oh, see, you can, nice panning. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get out! What are you doing? Get out! That's not food. Wanna go out? Go. The dog wants to go out. Go. Anyway, progress on our project here. It was raining earlier, so I need to move the dog's pooping or pee-peeing. I still need to clean up this mess here. Hopefully tomorrow it's gonna be finished. All the work, all the wood thing will get finished. Yeah, it's not leveled. I should have used what is it? But I think that's good enough. I should have used something. The string. See, it's not straight. So anyway, we're gonna finish this tomorrow. We're gonna finish all this crap. We're gonna fix all this crap, take out, clean up everything, and do our reveal after. Yeah,